Hi teacher, my name is Nicole Gallegos and I'm going to talk about the Amazon River dolphin. The Amazon River dolphin, also known as pink dolphin or boto, it lives in freshwater in the Amazon and Orinoco rivers, basins in Bolivia, Brazil, Colombia, Ecuador, Guyana, Peru, and Venezuela. It is a freshwater cetacean with a population in the tens of thousands. However, it is classified as vulnerable in certain areas due to dams that fragment and threaten certain populations, and other threats such as pollution of rivers and lakes. Some characteristics about freshwater dolphins are the first is that on October 24 is International River Dolphin Day. The second is that they are pale pink, their neck is flexible, allowing you to move your head left and right. The third, it has a long muzzle, a rounded head, and a small dorsal fin. Also, they have a length between 2 or 3 meters. He doesn't have good vision, and the turbidity of the water where he lives doesn't help. It relies on an internal sonar system to maneuver underwater where he lives. Doesn't help. It relies on an internal sonar system to maneuver under the water. It feeds on fish, so its survival depends on the health of other aquatic organisms, such as fish, turtles, and crabs. Also, habitat and range. In addition to the Amazon, there are other large rivers in the world with species of freshwater dolphins. For example, in Asia, the Ganges dolphin, which is threatened, or the Yangtze River. In this river, the dolphins are in a critical state of threat with estimated population close to 1,000 individuals. The threats of the species are the first is the water pollution, that gold mining is causing mercury spills in the rivers, the oil industry in the Amazon and Orinoco basins. The second one is the lack of connectivity and fragmentation. Dams cause the fragmentation of the river, preventing the passage of dolphins. It makes it difficult for its reproduction and the isolation of certain groups. The third one is the competition with the human being. Many fishermen view the Amazon River dolphins as a competition, which is why they kill it or injure it when attempting to drive it away from the fishing group. In addition, it can become entangled in fishing nets or injured when colliding with boats. River dolphins act as indicators of the health of the rivers in the basins where they live. If the dolphin population in a river is thriving, the overall state of that freshwater system is likely to be as well. But if that population is in decline, then it's considered a red flag for the ecosystem as a whole. Finally, the organization that protect the dolphins are World Wildlife. It is only organization working to safeguard all species of river dolphins around the world. What does the acronym of WWL is World Wildlife. World Wildlife works with the governments, communities, and other conservation partners in countries with river dolphins populations to change public policy and social practices, address direct threats to species such as bycatch and infrastructure, protect habitats, and strengthen scientific research. Thank you.